Problem 4. Three hexagons of increasing size are shown below. Suppose the dot pattern continues so that each successive hexagon contains one more band of dots. How many dots are in the next hexagon? So one thing to notice about this pattern is that you should see right away that there's a relationship between, let me draw it out. This hexagon with this hexagon, this hexagon with this hexagon. And what is the relationship here? Well, this large hexagon contains this smaller hexagon, right? Because look at the inner hexagon right here that I should not draw it in black. I'll do it in red. So look at this inner hexagon right here. What do you notice about this inner red hexagon and this hexagon right here? Well, they're the exact same thing. So we can realize here that the same goes for this hexagon, right? Because the inner hexagon, if I border it in red, is the same thing as this one right here. So by logical deduction, we can say that this larger hexagon, whatever it may be, must have this hexagon within it. So first of all, let's count the number of circles within this large hexagon. Well, to do that, how many are in the inner red hexagon? Well, there is one. We can just count it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have 12, so we have 12 plus 7, we have 19 circles in total. But how many must be within this one? Well, we already know that there must be the inner hexagon, and this inner hexagon has 19 circles. But how many are outside of it? Well, notice that for every inner hexagon, the side length that is outside of it is increased by 1. So for example, this hexagon right here, where I like to call it 2 by 2, right? If that's a 2 by 2, the inside is just a 1. And then from the same thing goes for this one, where if the outside, right, it has, I'll do it in green, it has 3 circles, 1, 2, and 3. The inner must have 2 circles. So by logic, if this has 3 circles outside of it, there must be 4 circles bordering it. So how many are there? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 that you must add to 19 to get 37, bringing you to answer choice B.